World Liberty Financial holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX show. Bring you guys daily updates on World Liberty Financial and other cryptocurrencies. Again, if you enjoy these updates, do let me know in the comments, and of course, subscribe if you have not done so already. It goes a long way. But going into Friday morning, if we're looking across the board, again, in a grand scheme of things, as far as the broader market is concerned, we're seeing a retracement. World Liberty Financial is down about 1.6% on the 24-hour time frame. Over the last 1 hour, we're starting to see the broader market going back into the green again, something not to be getting overly excited for just yet based off of where Bitcoin is at. But World Liberty Financial is currently sitting at about a 2% gain over the last 1 hour to be exact. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So some key news to keep in mind is Trump-backed World Liberty Financial has passed a proposal to allocate 100% of Treasury liquidity fees for buybacks and burns, with implementation to begin this week. This is good, guys. Of course, in the grand scheme of things, obviously, not a lot of people are going to be paying attention to this right away. Obviously, World Liberty Financial, as far as the platform is concerned, it's still quite new. But again, if this really gets to the scale some people are anticipating it to be, then things can add up, of course. And also, take a look at this. If you obviously are a crypto.com user, now World Liberty Financial is available for trading on the app itself. You can see 20 plus fiat currencies or USD and Euro. Again, very, very interesting as well here. More liquidity. I don't think liquidity is an issue for World Liberty Financial because literally instantly, as soon as this project was listed for spot, pretty much every single big centralized exchange came on board and listed this on their platform. So I think that is obviously there. As far as the dominance is concerned right now, you can see this for yourself. Dominance is still hanging around 58.92%. Mentioned this in my other updates as well. Showing strength right now because of what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin literally retested 108,000 not too long ago, but since then we have seen a little bit of a bounce. But again, not out of the woods just yet. I'm projecting a double bottom could still be on the table for Bitcoin for the month of September, where we did retest, of course, 107,000. I think a double bottom could be in the picture right now. Obviously, we're below our confirmation. That's something we want to keep in mind. But for World Liberty Financial, so I want you guys to keep in mind, I know a lot of people are going to come and comment on this move right here, which happened this wick down to 18 cents. A lot of people are going to, come talk about this because yesterday alone we were sitting at about 20 cents and we saw a retracement of about 9%. I want you guys to keep in mind the broader market saw a similar situation occur. But Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin went from $111,000 down to 108,000. It goes unsaid that you are going to see altcoins reacting to this, and this wick for World Liberty Financial is in correlation to Bitcoin, in my opinion. But look at the fast bounce back up to 20 cents. Back up to 20 cents. Look at this. This was short lived, and we did see an increase of about 8.3% over the course of the last few hours. Not even 24 hours to be exact. Back above our key range at 19.3 cents. Time in, time out, showing the importance of that key level. Obviously, right now, I would love to see the price breaking above the 20 cents. Very, very important zone to be above. But right now, we're seeing a lot of volatility within the markets. We want to kind of see Bitcoin stabilizing itself. Obviously, we're going to see where Bitcoin closes the daily candle today. That has a lot to do with how the broader market is going to react, how the dominance is going to react. But World Liberty Financial, for a project that's quite new, still very, very impressive stuff here. And this wick here itself, how it lasted so little, and we are pretty much back to where we really need to be. But I got to take a step-by-step process right now. Obviously, keep a very close eye on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is not at the levels, to be quite frank with you, where I would like to see Bitcoin at. So a little bit of a shaky momentum could still be in the picture right now for the crypto space. But again, as far as World Liberty Financial is concerned, I like what I'm seeing here so far, so good. But let me know in the comments what you guys personally think. And yeah, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.